Hello everybody, welcome back to Channels and Machinery. Every morning on this expansive farm is a scene of quiet beauty, but there's something particularly enchanting about the arrival of newborn lambs. The farm was alive with excitement as a new group of lambs took their first breaths, born to doting mothers on a day that felt made for new beginnings. The farmer, an expert in lamb care, made the rounds early to ensure the newborns were well cared for. As each lamb arrived, the farmer carefully milked the first drops of colostrum from the mother sheep to provide the nutrient-rich milk essential for the lamb's health and development. Colostrum is vital in the early hours, containing antibodies that boost immunity and protect the lambs as they start life outside the womb. As the lambs found their footing, the farmer ensured their environment was just as nurturing. The barn where they're housed has a meticulous layout designed for their safety and comfort. The floor is lined with fresh, dry straw, providing warmth and cleanliness. Above, a layer of transparent plastic shields them from any unpredictable weather while allowing natural sunlight to filter through, creating a warm, safe atmosphere for the sheep family to bond and grow. When the lambs reach a few weeks of age, the next stage of care begins. This includes tail clipping, a process that ensures their health and prevents future issues, as well as a gentle notch on their ear. Each lamb receives a number recorded in the farm's tracking system, an essential step that helps farmers monitor each sheep's growth, vaccinations, and health records. With such a massive operation, tracking each lamb's identity is vital to maintaining order and ensuring timely care. Out on the sprawling fields, lambs enjoy a playful life alongside their mothers, frolicking under open skies and resting in the soft grass. The farm's pastures are expansive, giving them ample space to roam, exercise, and socialize. While the lambs are busy exploring, the adult sheep receive a diet designed to meet their nutritional needs, consisting of organic pellets sourced from nearby certified farms. This organic feed not only supports their health, but also contributes to the farm's commitment to sustainability and high-quality livestock production. For the mother sheep, daily care routines are equally rigorous. Each day, they are herded to a designated milking area, where they undergo a hygiene process before being fitted with automated milking devices. This routine ensures cleanliness and efficiency in collecting sheep milk, which is handled with utmost care to retain its nutritional quality. After milking, the mothers rejoin their lambs in the pasture, a return met with joy from their young. This commitment to quality also extends beyond milk production. Each year, as some of the partially grown sheep are selected for export, the farm follows stringent protocols to ensure their welfare throughout the journey. Transporting live sheep across borders is no small task, and the farm adheres to strict guidelines set forth by regulatory agencies, ensuring every step meets humane standards. From the registered facilities to the ships that will carry them, every aspect of the journey is designed to keep the sheep safe, well-fed, and comfortable. Once aboard, a specially trained team travels alongside them, providing food and water at regular intervals. The ship itself is equipped with ample space, ventilation, and clean bedding, mirroring the care they received on the farm. The farm's reputation for quality is closely tied to the condition of the animals upon arrival at their destinations, making these journeys as comfortable and humane as possible. The Tay Peri Racewell HD3, integrated with Shearwell Data UK technology, offers a premium sheep handling solution. This system streamlines the management process by providing efficient handling, weighing, and drafting in one unit, reducing the labor and stress involved in sheep farming. Its compatibility with Shearwell's EID, electronic identification, allows precise animal tracking and data management, enabling farmers to monitor each sheep's health and performance accurately. The Racewell HD3 enhances flock management, optimizes productivity, and supports data-driven decisions, making it a valuable tool for modern sheep farming operations seeking efficiency and precision. To protect sheep and maintain wool quality, farmers routinely use Barkley cattle insecticide to ward off parasites. This insecticide is sprayed onto the sheep's wool, preventing pests like lice and ticks from infesting the fleece. Keeping wool free from parasites not only improves the health and comfort of the sheep, but also ensures a cleaner, more valuable wool harvest. By effectively managing these pests, farmers can boost wool yield and quality, making Barkley insecticide a vital tool in wool production and sheep care. When the wool is ready for harvesting, skilled shearers like Ed Gingell step in to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Working across East Sussex, Ed Gingell's sheep shearing services are a lifeline for farmers as well. Sheared sheep are healthier and more comfortable, especially during warmer months. The shearing process, typically done once a year, requires a delicate balance of technique and care to keep the sheep calm and uninjured. With a skilled hand, Ed expertly removes the fleece in a single piece, maintaining wool quality and preparing it for market. For Ed, it's a craft honed over years, supporting both local farmers and the wool industry. In the wool processing industry, the journey from raw sheep wool to beautifully woven textiles is an intricate, skilled process. The fleece is carefully removed in one large piece to maintain fiber integrity. Once sheared, the wool is graded based on quality, texture, and fineness, a crucial step that determines its end use, from high-quality garments to sturdy carpets. Following grading, the wool undergoes scouring, where it's thoroughly cleaned to remove lanolin, dirt, and any impurities. Scouring involves multiple washes in hot water with specialized detergents, leaving the wool clean yet soft. This lanolin byproduct isn't wasted. It's often repurposed in cosmetics or lubricants. Next, the wool is carded to align the fibers and remove any residual debris. During carding, the fibers are fed through fine-toothed rollers that separate and straighten them into a continuous web-like sheet. This process enhances wool's natural softness, creating a smooth texture that is easier to spin. The carded wool is then ready for spinning. Spinning draws out and twists the fibers into a yarn, giving the wool its strength and flexibility. This can be done by hand or with machines, depending on the production scale. Once spun, the yarn may be dyed or blended with other fibers to achieve desired colors and textures. Finally, weaving transforms the spun wool into fabric. Traditional weaving methods involve interlacing two sets of yarn at right angles to create a strong, stable fabric structure. Each woven piece is then carefully finished, which may involve steaming, brushing, or other treatments to enhance softness, resilience, and appearance. The result is a versatile, durable fabric ready to be crafted into everything from cozy sweaters to luxurious carpets. Each step in wool processing reflects a blend of tradition and innovation, ensuring that the unique qualities of sheep wool are preserved and enhanced. This process not only highlights wool's sustainability, but also the craftsmanship that brings it to life. New Zealand, a nation renowned for its lush landscapes, clean air, and high animal welfare standards, is also home to one of the world's most advanced deer farming industries. New Zealand deer velvet, primarily from Southern Cross velvet, is prized worldwide for its health-promoting properties, particularly in Asian medicine, where it has been used for over 2,000 years. Velvet antler, the fast-growing soft antler phase, contains compounds believed to support immunity, joint health, cardiovascular function, and recovery, making it a coveted natural supplement. Deer in New Zealand are raised in free-range environments on 3,500 farms across the country, fed on natural pastures and free from artificial additives or hormones. Strict biosecurity measures protect the health of New Zealand's herds, ensuring that the velvet produced is of exceptional quality and free from disease, making it highly sought after by consumers globally. The harvesting process is a carefully controlled procedure to ensure the well-being of the animals. Only licensed veterinarians or specially trained and certified farmers are permitted to remove velvet antler, following stringent guidelines that prioritize animal welfare. Each antler is tagged for traceability, ensuring compliance with industry standards and authenticity for buyers. After collection, velvet undergoes meticulous processing. First, frozen velvet is steamed for sterilization, then dehydrated under precise moisture and temperature conditions, preserving its natural composition. Following grading, suitable velvet is packaged for export, with documentation from New Zealand's Ministry of Agriculture ensuring quality and hygiene standards.